deep relief and channel engraving. Two powerful techniques that bring texture, depth and dimension to your metalwork. With the Magic E7 engraving machine, achieving professional results for jewellery, decorative pieces and custom designs has never been easier. In this video, we'll walk you through every step, from preparing your metal sheet to executing the perfect engraving. So let's get started and elevate your engraving game. Start by measuring your metal blank using digital verniers for precision dimensions. On the Magic E7 software, input those exact measurements in and hit OK. This template will serve as the foundation for your design, so accuracy here is key. For a circular channel, select Circle from the design options. Adjust the size and line thickness to match your preferred style. The thickness here will define the visual impact of your engraving. For example, we are repeating the process with a smaller circle inside. Next up, setting the toolpath. Select the circle design and choose the hatching toolpath option. Enter your engraving details carefully. For channel or deep relief engraving, a cutting depth between 0.2mm and 0.7mm usually delivers a clean, polished finish. Check over the details of the Z clearance, X, Y, Z speeds and Z pitch. Now that's turned orange, we're ready for the next step. Place the circle metal sheet into the cutting vise. Double check that it's sitting flush with the floor of the vise. A secure sheet means clean cuts and precise engravings. Once that's done, place a tissue underneath to catch any excess oil. We're now adding oil or WD-40 to our metal sheet to ensure a smoother engraving process. Send your design to the machine, click the Magic E7 button on the computer and hit Start Engraving. The machine will process the design and prepare for cutting. Use the arrow buttons on the front of the machine to adjust the laser pointer and ensure the boundary area matches your design. Press the play button. The probe will drop and the Magic E7 will get to work. And just like that, the engraving process is complete. Carefully remove the metal sheet from the vise and admire the results. Look at those clean lines and striking depth. As you grow more confident, experimenting with different depths and patterns, the creative possibilities are endless.